Chapter 1,
Part 4.
page 22. 1.3.7. To estimate products. How do we estimate a product? What is the estimate for 19 multiplied by 78? It is obvious that the product is less than 2000. Why? If we approximate 19 to the nearest tens, we get 20. And then approximate 78 to nearest tens, we get 80, and 20 multiplied by 80 is equal to 1600. Look at 63 multiplied by 182. If we approximate both to the nearest hundreds, we get 100 into 200, which is equal to 20,000. This is much larger than the actual product. So, what do we do? To get a more reasonable estimate, we try rounding off 63 to the nearest 10. That is 60. And also 182 to the nearest 10. That is 180. We get 60 multiplied by 180, or 10,800. This is a good estimate, but is not quick enough. If we now try approximating 63 to 60 and 182 to the nearest hundred, that is 200, we get 60 into 200. And this number, 12,000, is a quick as well as good estimate of the product. The general rule that we can make is, therefore, round off each factor to its greatest place, then multiply the rounded off factors. Thus, in the above example, we rounded off 63 to tens and 182 to hundreds. Now, estimate 81 multiplied by 479 using this rule. 479 is rounded off to 500, rounding off to hundreds. And 81 is rounded off to 80, rounding off to tens. The estimated product is equal to 500 multiplied by 80, which is equal to 40,000. Try these. Estimate the following products. A. 87 multiplied by 313. B. 9 multiplied by 795. C. 898 multiplied by 785. D. 958 multiplied by 387. Make 5 more such problems and solve them. An important use of estimates for you will be to check your answers. Suppose you have done the multiplication 37 multiplied by 1889, but are not sure about your answer. A quick and reasonable estimate of the product will be 40 multiplied by 2000, that is 80,000. If your answer is close to 80,000, it is probably right. On the other hand, if it is close to 8,000 or 8 lakh, something is surely wrong in your multiplication. Same general rule may be followed by addition and subtraction of 2 or more numbers. Page 23. Exercise 1.3. 1. Estimate each of the following using general rule. A. 730 plus 998. B. 796 minus 314. C. 12,904 plus 2,888. D. 28,292 minus 21,496. Make 10 more such examples of addition, subtraction, and estimation of their outcome. Two. Give a rough estimate, that is, by rounding off to nearest hundreds, and also a closer estimate by rounding off to nearest tens. A. $439 plus 334 plus 4,317. B. 1,08,734 minus 47,599. C. 8,325 minus 491. D. 4,89,348 minus 48,365. Make 4 more such examples. Three. Estimate the following products using general rule. A. 578 multiplied by 161. B. 5,281 multiplied by 3,491. C. 1,291 multiplied by 592. D. 9,250 multiplied by 29. Make 4 more such examples. (1.4) Using brackets. Meera bought 6 notebooks from the market and the cost was 10 rupees per notebook. Her sister Seema also bought 7 notebooks of the same type. Find the total money they paid. Seema calculated the amount like this: 6 multiplied by 10 plus 7 multiplied by 10. Equal to 60 plus 70, which is equal to 130. Answer: 130 rupees. Meera calculated the amount like this: 6 plus 7 is equal to 13. And 13 multiplied by 10 is equal to 130. Answer: 130 rupees. You can see that Seema's and Meera's ways to get the answer are a bit different. But both give the correct result. Why? Seema says what Meera has done is 7 plus 6 into 10. Appu points out that 7 plus 6 into 10 is equal to 7 plus 60, which is equal to 67. Thus, this is not what Meera had done. All the 3 students are confused. To avoid confusion in such cases, we may use brackets. We can pack the numbers 6 and 7 together using a bracket, indicating that the pack is to be treated as a single number. Thus, the answer is found by 6 plus 7 within brackets multiplied by 10, which is equal to 13 multiplied by 10. This is what Meera did. She first added 6 and 7 and then multiplied the sum by 10. This clearly tells us, first, turn everything inside the brackets into a single number and then do the operation outside, which in this case is to multiply by 10. Page 24. Try these. 1. Write the expressions for each of the following using brackets. A. 4 multiplied by the sum of 9 and 2. B. Divide the difference of 18 and 6 by 4. C. 45 divided by 3 times the sum of 3 and 2. Two. Write 3 different situations for 5 plus 8 within brackets multiplied by 6. One such situation is, Sohani and Rita work for 6 days. Sohani works 5 hours a day and Rita 8 hours a day. How many hours do both of them work in a week? Three. Write 5 situations for the following where brackets would be necessary. A. 7 multiplied by, within brackets, 8 minus 3. B. Within brackets, 7 plus 2 multiplied by, within brackets, 10 minus 3.